if you know, you know, there is one way that we like to do a comparison on this channel, and that's with a good side-by-side. What's good, everybody? It's your main girl Mel, back at it again with a brand new video. If you're new here and you don't know who I am, welcome. I am a professional hairstylist, curl specialist, and I have been doing this YouTube reviewing for almost 4 years now. If you've been twirling with me for a long time, you've seen me use Curlsmith a ton on this channel. I'm very close partners with them because I love a lot of their products. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my first impressions and talk about their newest launch, their Curlsmith Shine line. So without further ado, let's sniff into it. Their new Shine line happens to be fragrance-free. This fact was most exciting to me. Partly because I feel like Curlsmith is very well known for their fragrances. A lot of their products, the different lines, they each have their signature scents. And they are definitely very fragranced. Some people find the Curlsmith scented products way too strong, which is unfortunate because they work well. They really like the results. But a lot of people are very sensitive to fragrance. They're allergic to fragrance, or they just prefer not to have fragrance. So now we have options. But you know, with all recipes, usually we grab inspiration from other things that we have tried, that we have tested, that we know is good. Like, you know, I saw that really delicious pasta recipe online and made my own version of it at home, and I knew it'd be good because, you know, pasta. I feel like Curlsmith did this with some of their own products, but the Shine line is a completely separate line. Not only do they smell different, but they look very different, clearly. But let's find out if they feel different. But just before we jump into all of the products, let's take a look at the overall Shine line. So, just to clear the air, so we're all aware, according to the FDA, even though a product may say fragrance-free, or they're labeled unscented, they may still contain some fragrance ingredients just to kind of mask any, like, you know, like natural, like chemical lab smelling smells that products may contain that might be a little unpleasant, just so they smell neutral or don't smell like anything. The key ingredients throughout the whole line is described as their Shine blend, which is lemon peel, aka citrus limon peel extract. Is also well known for being antimicrobial and astringent, which is excellent if you have an oily scalp and hair, which can be balanced out by jasmine flower, aka Jasminum officinale flower extract, which is a skin conditioning agent that happens to be very soothing and moisturizing. And finally, we have hops, aka Humulus lupulus extract. This is another soothing tonic that is antimicrobial, astringent, and helps with skin conditioning and is emollient, which, as we know, softens and smooths hair and skin. So this Shine blend that is fragrant, the lemon peel, the hops, the jasmine, you can't really smell them at all throughout the whole Shine line, but they are the key ingredients, their Shine blend. So just be aware of this if you have allergies, but otherwise, basically scent-free. You cannot detect a scent. Let's dive into my first impressions trying the shampoo and conditioner. Starting with the fragrance-free Shine shampoo, the bottle declares this a gentle, light-foaming shampoo, and of course, it is vegan, cruelty-free, and color-safe, as are all of the Curlsmith products. This is also dermatologically tested. Dermatologically, that is a mouthful. These have been dermatologically tested to ensure that it would be safe for sensitive scalps, which is, again, who it's catering for. It's like they want to be a little bit more inclusive and be aware that people have fragrance allergies, and I love that. I love seeing that, but it smells like glue. To me, I smell glue. You're really just smelling the raw ingredients, the pure formula, not being masked by any other ingredients. But let's talk about how the shampoo functioned. I did really like how it felt on my hair and scalp. I think a gentle, light foaming shampoo is a perfect way to describe it. It did leave my hair feeling nice and clean. I really like the lather. Performance-wise, I think it's one of my favorite Curlsmith shampoos. If you're someone that doesn't care for fragrance, this is definitely a shampoo that you could use very often without drying out your hair. Now let's talk about conditioner. The conditioner did its job. It had really great slip, so it was easy to kind of distribute and detangle my hair with, which was really nice. I was definitely impressed with that, especially since this is a silicone-free formula, and was particularly impressed with this conditioner for detangling. So that was a huge plus. My experience using the Shine conditioner also reminded me of the Glow Perfecting conditioner from the Color Recipe line. Of course, besides the smell. They're both super lightweight, give great slip, and are best of all color safe. With, of course, exceptions to the key ingredients as part of each recipe blend. But fragrances and extracts aside, these look super similar. Now, as for the rest of the new Shine line, Curlsmith gave us 3 leave-in products. One, we have the fragrance-free Shine Cream. This is a leave-in conditioner. They call it their most versatile leave-in conditioner yet, which to me is intriguing because one of my favorite leave-in conditioners from them, the Scalp Recipe Weightless Air Dry Cream, is a leave-in conditioner and a styler all in one that you could just use on its own. Side by side, the bottles obviously look different. I've always liked how all the different Curlsmith lines are color-coded and that the fragrance-free line contains nothing. She is simplicity. So let's see. Okay, this is what I was hoping for. The ingredients side by side are almost identical, except for the added benefit of the Shine line, which is going to be a fragrance-free option, leading me to believe that this is just the fragrance-free version of the Weightless Air Dry Cream. So let's jump in and prime and add shine. The texture does check out. And now we have 2 different fixatives. We have strength 6 and 9 in terms of hold level. The moment I saw jelly on this flexible hold level 6 gel, I instantly thought of the Hydrostyle Flexi Jelly, which is rated a 7 flexible hold. What's the difference? Let's try to see. The formulas look like they start off with the exact same base. The whole point of it is so that it's not heavily fragrant, so it's not going to irritate your nose, your head, your skin. And wow, she is thin. Where are you going? This is a very nice texture for gel, and yes, it does so far feel pretty much the exact same as the Hydrostyle Flexi Jelly. I just brushed those bad boys through with the Denman D3, and now I want to try the Shine Gel. This is the level 9 Stronghold Gel. I'm getting the vibes of the In Shower Style Fixer. That is a very strong hold gel. It's to be used on very soaking wet hair. Let's take a look-see here. They do recommend to, again, apply to soaking wet hair. Mine is pretty wet. I'm gonna use just a little bit of this. Yeah, see how it's a little bit of a thicker gel consistency? I'm gonna use a little bit of this on my hands to go in and scrunch this. This is the Just Dried Crunch level. She's got a good little crisp to the hair. Now this is the point where we would finish the routine with an oil or serum. This line doesn't have an oil, but the Strength line does. And you know what? Because this has that delicious Strength Recipe scent, she's fruity, she's sweet, she's tasty, I'm excited to use this because, again, my hair smells like nothing. So this will be like that cherry on top. I'm gonna go in with 1 squirt to scrunch her out. This is fabulous because now I can use my oil and not have too many overwhelming smells in my hair. I feel like that's one of the main benefits of having fragrance-free options. It allows you to mix and match products more without all the scents in your hair becoming overpowering. Results! It's the next day. And my hair does look shiny. It feels very comparable to how my hair usually feels with their routines. This is a very lightweight, weightless routine. I definitely feel hold from the gels, and we'll have to see how this lives out on my hair and truly compares to some of my go-to products from them. Compares, yes, compares. If you know, you know. There is one way that we like to do a comparison on this channel, and that's with a good side-by-side, hence the middle part. So I went in with another round of testing, comparing the new fragrance-free Shine Cream paired with the fragrance-free Shine Jelly next to their evil twins, the fragranced ones. So as we see, we have Mario and Luigi versus Wario and Waluigi. They're more stinky. There were very slight textural differences in the products. And when applied the exact same way, let me just say that I was a little heavy-handed with this application. I kind of low-key forgot that I was only styling half of my head, but I kept that same amount consistent throughout my whole head. To be fair, when I did the exact same routine comparing these two, after the hair was dried side by side, it was identical. Identical. You would not be able to see a difference. You may be able to smell it, possibly. If you went in for the, the double kiss, and you gave it double sniff, you may be able to see that one was floral and fragrance and the other one was just natural, kind of just hair. And here we are. I'm filming 5 days later, and this is day 5 hair using those routines. Dare I say, I think we have a dude. And this is very lucky for you, anyone that is watching that has been interested in Curlsmith products, because this combo right here is one of my favorite Curlsmith combos. It's delicious. I've used it all seasons for all reasons, and it's always given me fabulous hair. Oh no! I just realized I'm holding up the Wash and Scrub Detox Pro. Oh my goodness. I feel slightly silly. I'm not gonna redo those. It's fine. I have to say happily that the fragrance-free cream works almost exactly the same as the weightless air dry cream. And what I really love is that all of the Shine products come in travel sizes, so you can try before you commit to the large sizes, especially if you do have sensitivities. So that being said, I am happy to say that the Curlsmith Shine Cream as well as the jelly, they are basically direct dupes for a couple of my favorite Curlsmith products, and all the links to these Curlsmith products will be in the description box below if you want to check any of them out. Please feel free. You can also use my discount code if you're new to shopping on Curlsmith. All the details will be linked just below the video. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because as always, we have lots of content that is coming. So stay tuned for the tea, the reviews, and more of me by subscribing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. I am out. Peace! But for just a moment now, let's appreciate the fit. Because my hair is fragrance-free, I needed to bring the floral vibes somehow, somewhere, and I brought it in what I wear. I love this sweater! Oh, wowza. This is gonna be fun, yeah? Let's spark a candle here. That was dumb. Fire! Fire! You know where I think I got that from? That was like the throwback to old YouTube.
What would you like for breakfast, Johnny?
Muffins!
Raspberry. Cranberry.
Strawberry muffins.
Banana.
Paperclip muffins.
Pencil.
Fire!
Fire!
YouTube has shaped my childhood and it's shaping my adulthood. I love it here! Ooh! I'm feeling glam. I'm feeling femme. Curlsmith Shine. Stay tuned to find out what I think, what I stink, if I like it. Because the tea is hot. Actually, it's cold. I took too long to set up for this video. Okay, let us begin. Okay, let us begin. I am a little unhinged. Okay, let us begin. Okay, let us begin. Just warming up here. Meow. I had burnt myself cooking last week, and it was a bubble for a full week, and it's finally going down, but it looks really ugly. Some sneeze, snap, sneeze, snap, sneeze, snap, no. It's a pants-demic, because half of my pants don't fit on it. Any howsers? I'll just continue.